hold yourself like that. 'Cause you hurt your knee.
This is the way you do when you're gonna have a computer fixed and get the laptop screen replaced. So you're coming into Tropical Computers, and then what I do first is to check what's wrong with it. And if I power on the computer, I can clearly see
volcanoes melt you down. And what I am to you is not real.
there's a line here. So that shows that there's a screen problem. Because you got both this one in the BIOS and the Windows. So then shut down the old computer, take out the battery, so we don't burn any components. Strip the computer screen. And this is what I'm after, the numbers of the whole thing, so I can order one, and the numbers of pins. Done.